Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit BBQ. So when I had my food truck, there was one recipe that customers would always ask for, and I swore to myself and to them that I'd never give this recipe out, but today is your lucky day. On today's video, I'm going to be making my food truck banana pudding. Stay tuned. All right, let's get started on my food truck banana pudding. Now we are starting with a box of Jello brand banana cream pudding. Now this is the 5.1 ounce box of banana pudding, and the recipe does call for 3 cups of milk. We're only going to be using 2.5 cups of milk to this package of Jello. So go ahead and dump your Jello into the bowl. Again, this recipe calls for 3 cups of milk, but I'm only going to be using 2.5 cups of milk. Dump that into your bowl. Give it a quick whisk. Make sure there's no lumps in there. Now, a lot of you guys are going to be surprised on how simple this banana pudding is, but it's so delicious. All right, that looks good right there. I'm going to put this in my fridge for 5 minutes. All right, so next I've got a package of cream cheese, and do not skimp out on the cream cheese. Get the good brand, the Philadelphia cream cheese. Throw that into your bowl. Now this is at room temperature. I'm also going to be adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now get your whisk and get this cream cheese super soft. All right, so next I'm going to add an entire tub of whipped cream into our cream cheese. Now this is 8 ounces of whipped cream, okay? Grab your whisk and whisk them together. So some of you guys might be wondering, really, cream cheese and banana pudding? Yes. It adds such an amazing flavor to your banana pudding, and once you try it, you will not go back to your old-fashioned banana pudding recipe. All right, got this all mixed up. Let me go grab the banana pudding, and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, so our banana pudding is ready. It's already set, as you can see, nice and firm. So at this point, I'm going to put our banana pudding into the cream cheese and whipped cream. Get it all out of that bowl. All right, so now I'm just going to fold it all together. Really simple process here. I'm telling you guys, this banana pudding right here is a game changer. It is so good, nice and creamy, not too heavy. So if you guys have a barbecue restaurant or a food truck, give this a try. And if you do use my recipe, give me a shout out. Call it Smokin Joe's banana pudding recipe or something like that. It is so good. Look at that, nice and creamy. That is perfect. All right, next I'm gonna add our bananas. And I like to use 9 medium-sized bananas. Real simple process right here. I just peeled about half of the peel. And I'm going to cut this into slices and right into the banana pudding. Now, bananas start to turn brown really quick, okay? So what I like to do is once I slice a couple of bananas into the bowl, I like to mix it up and get that banana pudding to kind of seal the banana. That way it doesn't turn brown on you. Like this banana has a brown spot. I don't like using that, so I'm just going to cut that off. Give it a quick mix, cover up those bananas. So some of you guys might be thinking that's a lot of bananas for that banana pudding. But let me tell you, I had a good friend of mine, Jeff, tell me, if you're gonna call it banana pudding, it better have a lot of banana. So that's why I add a ton of bananas to my banana pudding. All right, so at this point, I'm gonna throw this in my fridge for about 30 minutes, and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, so I pulled out the banana pudding from the fridge and it's nice and cold. Now I'm going to show you guys how I used to serve this in my food truck. Now I used to serve them in an 8 ounce plastic container. It was a clear plastic. So this is about 10 ounces here, so it's a little bit bigger, but I wanted to show you guys how I used to serve it in my food truck. I know some of you guys are like, where are the vanilla wafers? There is no vanilla wafers in this banana pudding. Trust me, this is 100 times better than vanilla wafer banana pudding. So I'm gonna start with a shortbread cookie. You can also use a butter cookie, put that inside of the bowl at the very bottom. Grab a nice scoop of your banana pudding, right on top of the cookie, just like that. Fill it up. So then I will top off the banana pudding with another shortbread or butter cookie, just like that. And that's exactly how I would serve it in my food truck. All right, let's give this a taste and see how we did. All right, let's give my food truck banana pudding a try and see how we did. Look at that. Does that look good or what? Now, since I was using clear containers in my food truck as well, you can see the cookie on the bottom and also the top when the lid is on it. All right, let me grab some of this pudding with those amazing bananas. Now you can crack this cookie if you want to, or just take it out and bite it. I'm gonna try the banana pudding first. Here we go. So creamy, rich, and delicious. This is fantastic. Grab that cookie. So good. Look at that. I'm telling you guys, this banana pudding with a butter cookie or a shortbread cookie is absolutely amazing. Let me get that little piece of cookie with some of this pudding. Oh yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple but yet delicious banana pudding. If this is your first time to my channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring that bell so you get notified when I release a new video. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's BBQ. See ya.